What up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Strongs, aka the Elevated Chef. I'd like to welcome you to the newest, latest, hottest, dankest, most delicious recipe that's about to drop right now. You got the notification. If you didn't, might have been because you were smoking on the loud. Forgot to hit subscribe, the like button, and the bell next to it to be notified every time dank content is being dropped on you. Like this one right here, right in time for 420, which I hope everybody has a fucking insane 420. Let me know in the comments what you got planned. I hope there's some edibles involved. If not, there's a whole channel full of stuff you guys can check out. Your boy appreciates all the support as always. But this one, it's quick, it's fast, it's simple, and it's almost a sin. It's so damn good. Like I say all the time, it's dankishly delicious. It's like you just want to keep eating it, and that's a problem when what you keep eating keeps giving you the munchies, and then your munchies turn into a munchie monster, and it's a whole thing.
It's intense.
So, guys, do me a favor. Roll up a blunt with me. Smoke one. And let's get into the latest Elevated Chef recipe. And if you dig shit like this, one more plug.
Just one more.
If you dig elevated recipes like this, did you know your boy has his own e-cookbook? Going paperless, saving the trees, because these are the only real ones that we care about around here. Go check out the e-cookbook. You know, cop it if you support, or if you just want to bring into your kitchen some elevatedly dank recipes. Do it for yourself. You deserve it. Alright, now let's watch this shit. Let's get to the kitchen. Let's go. Come on. For this super simple, tasty treat, all you need is some prosciutto, some asparagus, some infused 420 EVOO, some aluminum foil placed over a baking sheet. My only suggestion is going to be you're going to need a lot more prosciutto, because these things are so fire, you're going to want a lot of them. So once your baking sheet is laced with your aluminum foil, go ahead and place your asparagus onto the baking sheet. Going to run with about a 7 count here, 6 count here. You know, we can count. And then break your asparagus off kind of naturally when you bend it towards the end. I like to just snap that right on off. You can peel it if you want to get fancy, but you know, we were just trying to get some dank munchies together, so that's how you go about that. Once they're all nice and snapped where they need to be, begin to wrap your prosciutto around your asparagus, aka roll up some asparagus. There's a couple different techniques. You can do the twist and roll, the lay and roll, or, you know, the good old blunt roll. Once your asparagus is all rolled up, tucked up, and ready to rock, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Go ahead and place her in the oven. And bake her off for about 20 minutes, or you know, a blunt's worth. After that, they come out so crispy, so clean. I'd say so lean, but you know what I mean. This is all about the dank with a little bit of greenery. So our infusion is going to happen with our 420 EVOO, kind of as a dressing or like a sauce on top of our asparagus wrapped in prosciutto, which can be really salty or lean on the salty side. Adding a little lemon juice to our EVOO and a little bit of pepper. Whip that all together. It's gonna really, the acidity is gonna help cut through the saltiness And that comes with that prosciutto wrapped around the asparagus. Go ahead and drizzle that up. And like I said, this was not enough, even for me. So if you're making it for 420 or just a good old sesh with the homies, you're gonna need more than this. Wrap up a couple more, roll up a couple more, roll another one, roll another one.